Today at Chelle's Glam Home.
I don't wanna stay here, no. Ain't gonna keep it low now. If you wanna go, let's go. Let's wrap it up and hit the road. I just got an awesome vibe. Striking the winner post now. Liberty's on my mind. We've taken off, we've left the ground. You gotta understand that we get one chance, one chance. You will never regret the things that we'll do. 'Cause I wanna drive through the summer night. And when we are old and gray, look back at this summer night.
Hi everyone, and welcome back to Chelle's Glam Home. Well, today guys, I'm super excited to share this project with you. Today we are doing beadboard wainscoting throughout my entire home. I hope you enjoy. So guys, here we are in Bunnings hardware. Now we are looking at the skirting as well as the beadboard, which we call VJ paneling here in Australia. So here I'm showing you the smaller sheets that they come in, but we actually picked up larger sheets and we had them cut to size by Bunnings to fit into each place. So we then headed home. Now what my hubby did, which I thought was a great idea, was when he took the measurements to Bunnings, he wrote down the measurements on the back of each panel that they cut. So that way we would know which panel went where. So here I'm showing you that I'm at my very front door in my hallway. And what we're going to do is we're going to run it all the way down the hallway, go into the living room and around through to the breakfast area. Now we got this skirting from Bunnings and my husband actually cut this to size as well, and it is the perfect skirting to act as the chair rail. Now as the panels went up, we used liquid nails and we also used a nail gun.
I've tried, written down the words to say. It is time. I've been waiting 5 days to explain how you make me feel inside. Baby, got it all figured out.
Now we also went in and filled in the joins with some gap filler, which was also from Bunnings. Now guys, bear in mind when you're doing a project like this that these VJ panels can be very, very dusty. I found by the end of the project my floor was entirely covered in dust, and so was my poor hubby. So yes, bear that in mind when it comes to these panels, but I was so happy with how it was coming. Now you'll see in a future clip that my hubby gets a wet rag and he actually wipes down the gap filler. So now we're back outside and we're going to be cutting the skirting so it would act as the chair rail.
You're not worth less than perfection. Ooh, thought it was in my hands, now I'm all confused. Turning gold into sand, don't know what you do to me. All I know is you can take my breath away. Yeah, that's when you touch my hand, it all goes away. The things I planned, the things I would say, now I keep rambling on. I sound so cliche. What I am trying to do is say I love you. And all the things that
We then continued on to the larger wall and I was so excited guys. My amazing hubby honestly, guys, I could not have done this without him. I actually did nothing here. I really didn't do anything except film for you guys and help with assisting, holding pieces up and so forth. But my amazing hubby, he really did do this all by himself, and it was a huge, huge job, and I love how it came.
It was years ago, but how can I forget? We were 16 up all night. Love and heartbreak was our life. We got drunk and smoked your dad's cigarettes. Dreamt of a life in a big town, skyscrapers and neon lights. Ooh, I still think of you.
Now guys, overall these panels are quite simple to put up. The only challenge that you may face is when you come along to a PowerPoint. Now what my hubby did, he took the face off the PowerPoint and he traced around it, and then with a jigsaw cut out the shape so that the plate for the PowerPoint just goes straight over the top.
Freckles on your cheeks, how you talked in your sleep. We had plans and I was your biggest dream, yeah. Then I didn't call for weeks. Thought the love wasn't for me, no. I still think of you. I still dream of you. But if you hold me close, I won't let go again. We have time to grow. This wasn't a mistake, and we can.
Now once we'd finished the hallway, my husband went in and painted 2 coats of Dulux Vivid White. Now this project for the hallway was an entire weekend, guys, so we waited to the following weekend to do the living room. So this is the footage from the following weekend, and we're starting around the living room.
But if you hold me close, I won't let go again. We have time to grow. This wasn't a mistake, and we can grow old if you love me again, my friend. This time is different, so please do not let me go. Please do not let me go.
I truly love the Hampton style of decorating at the moment, guys, and this style of panelling is just perfect. It goes in every Hamptons home here in Australia, and I was really excited to see it come all together. My home is very open plan, and I loved that it flowed so perfectly throughout the home. So you know that I've done shiplap throughout my home. I've done it in my home office in blush pink. I've done it in my hallway as well as my dining room. And I knew that this panelling would just flow perfectly because the house is so open plan.
Yeah, he would tell me we have time, time to laugh and time to heal. Our favorite song is on repeat. Drinking wine until the dawn, knowing soon we'll we'll be back home.
Now, once it was all complete, we retired for the night, and the following day my husband got up and painted the entire house 2 coats of Dulux Vivid White. Now, last weekend I wanted to add a finishing touch to our living room update, so I headed off to Bunnings once again, and here I am in the floating shelf section. Now, what I want to do here, guys, is add 2 floating shelves to either side of my television. Now, off camera, guys, I went in and I filled up some holes that were on the wall and I repainted. And guys, here is my amazing beadboard wainscoting. I'm so happy with how it came.
Close to me. Wanna take you where you've never been. Swear I won't break your heart and I won't let you down. Yeah. Maybe we can dance the night away. You got me feeling like a hurricane. 'Cause nothing's stopping the hate. You're all that's on my mind, my mind. Think I've got fire running through my veins. 'Cause when you touch me, I burst into flames. I don't know what it is you do to me. Now we're just dancing in this burning room. I really hope this moment never
A big shout out has to go to my amazing hubby who put his heart and soul into this project over a period of 3 weekends. I really could not do any of these types of DIYs, guys. As I said, he's the one doing all the work. I just give him the inspiration and the ideas. So a big shout out to hubby for doing such a wonderful job.
Just
If you're new to my channel, I'd love to welcome you here. My name's Michelle, but most people call me Chelle, and I'm the creator of Chelle's Glam Home. I'm an Australian YouTuber who absolutely loves sharing my passion for DIY projects, inspirational ideas, and home tours. So if that's something that may interest you, I'd love for you to hit that subscribe button so you can become a part of Chelle's Glam Home family.
Maybe we can dance the night away. It's what I wanna do now. I hope that you can stay right here with me. Think I've got fire.
Thank you so much for watching, guys. I really hope you've enjoyed the video, and thank you very much for understanding in regards to my new schedule. So I'll be uploading once a week every Sunday morning, 8:30 AM Australian Eastern Standard Time. So until next time, my friends, I thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.